Hi guys, good morning. And today has been one of the most tiring mornings. I do not want to get up. I'm so tired. But still, you know what? I picked myself up at 8:30. Not even 8:30, I think 8:15 I got up. There are a few things I wanted to tell you. Yesterday's Creek Dough, there is so much of hype about it that oh my god, it's a must see. It is crap. If crap is a word, it is crap, okay? Like, it is so pathetic. It is like, they'll just take you for a like 2 hour ka journey, which is absolutely nonsense. Like, you cannot see anything. It is nothing at all. There is no scenery, nothing. Oh, dams, canals. It is, normal how you go on ferry and boat for your regular jobs. It is just like that, and it doesn't have any view, nothing. And they are playing all sorts of songs. मतलब कुछ भी हो रहा है वहाँ पे, and you're paying like money, means it should be worth it. Food also was very bad. The only thing really good was the custard, and one thing which was eatable was the chow mein. Other than that, no, no, no. I will not recommend that at all. If you people are, newly married and want a beautiful experience for yourself, please book a restaurant somewhere else and go. Do not waste your money on this because it's really like not worth it. Yeah. A, you don't have any nice view. B, you don't have privacy. C, it's not worth it because कुछ है ही नहीं. मतलब what are you going there for is my point. There is no reason to go. What I basically thought is, okay, if you're going for a boat ride, you will get to see something, but there was nothing. You just go and you come back. That's it. There's nothing. अगल बगल में कुछ है ही नहीं. That is like that. It is very boring. The worst part is people started doing garba. That was like the cherry on the cake, like legit. And Shoaib and I were getting so puck out. We both were like, when will this get over? We were getting so frustrated. We just wanted to go back to the hotel and just be done with it. By the time, we came back and everything, it was like, time ho gaya tha. We also went to Manzar beach last night. It was a very impromptu plan. My brother was in Dera. He had come for some work. I said, let's meet up, and we grabbed some boba tea. I'm obsessed. Like, the boba tea here is amazing. So that day I had tried Tiger Sugar creme brulee, and it was beautiful. And yesterday I had tried the Lotus cream cheese. I didn't like it. I like the Tiger Sugar better. You also have non-tea based drinks if you want like refreshers, like blueberry and mojito types. You'll have blueberry balls, the bobas in it. It'll be nice. So today we are going for desert safari, and desert safari का और एक बात ये है कि if you are planning to get it on Make My Trip, or never take any packages online, because you come here to Dubai and in your Google website check out, there are a lot of deals which are more reasonable and cheaper than what you might be paying in Make My Trip. Make My Trip is showing 4,000. They slashed it and they're writing 2,900. That is absolutely some sort of crap, because the original price itself starts from 124. That is around 2,400 rupees. That's the original price. That's it. MMT is just fooling you. Do not fall for all that websites where they are providing you with packages and you think that, oh my god, kya deal hai. Nahi, they are tricking you. And you know what, you do not need to pay pre-hand for these packages, and there are shared transfers, so they'll pick you up and drop you to your hotels. And that's more convenient and cheaper, right? Even for a lot of things, even Miracle Garden, we thought we'll go by metro, but it was very far away. It was 1 hour 40 minutes in metro, and by road it was around 25 minutes. It was showing that much, but took us approximately 35 to 40 minutes due to traffic. There is an app called Careem. It is better than Uber also works here, but Careem is much better than Uber. Why? Because Careem is like, you catching a taxi from the road. Okay, यहाँ पे there is a meter system for taxi. So what will happen is, if you're sitting in a taxi, you don't need to ask them how much. Tell, will you go to this particular destination, and they'll say yes madam, means you can sit inside, meter चलेगा उतना पैसा you have to give, and you have to get down, खत्म बात, खलास. But if he says no, then no, that's it. But in Kareem taxi, the same thing, you just book and meter के हिसाब से you'll give money and come back. It's the most convenient thing ever, I'm seriously saying. So today we are going to go into Desert Safari. I just booked it. So now I'm going to go shopping, hunting for clothes. Look at me, I'm so sleepy. Like this AC in this room, it's so cold. It's so cold. I'm not even kidding you. I switched it off. It's still cold. Forget it. Okay. Shoaib has gone to Ajman. Ajman, how you pronounce it? There is a China market there. He has gone there, and I am headed to street shopping because I don't know what to do in the hotel all alone. So I'm planning to do street shopping. I'll take you guys along. Clothes here are really good. I came to a shop called Gift Village, which is right near our hotel. Picked out few. I'm searching where to go try it out. It's a bummer they don't have trial room. I'm taking this. It doesn't fit. I'm gonna bring it back. I feel it's gonna be loose. I like these pants. I'm also taking this. Can you just see how gorgeous this is? And it's just 10 dirhams. 10 bloody dirhams. Okay, I'm very excited. It's really good stuff here, and I love it. Trust me, it's so good. Like material wise. It's not cheap, it doesn't feel cheap at all. I'm getting these also, they're in my size 41. Yeah. I'm gonna hunt for black leggings, and someone should throw me out of this place because it's supremely good, legit. Okay, let us go hunting for black leggings. I'm also picking up stuff for my friend who's expecting a baby girl this February, inshallah. So she's in Oman, so I'm getting stuff for her. So I'm in the makeup aisle. Living in Oman, I can't find anything interesting, like something out of the box, because you get everything in Oman. But I found this lipstick. I need to go try it out. It's brown in color, so I thought, why not give it? I really want to try out this pen wala thing, but skeptical. I think I'm going to get a mascara or something. I finished shopping. I did a lot of shopping today. A lot. My hands are hurting. I have to walk back to the hotel. Approximately 15 minutes of walk with so much of saman. I actually bought stuff for my niece also. Myself also. Today was complete shopping day. And I wanted to get few stuff because we're going on a desert safari. And they have some sort of dress code which I don't have. They are saying full sleeves. I don't have anything full sleeves, and I don't understand why you're supposed to wear full sleeves. Probably it's going to be really hot, and they are telling us to wear it. But it's okay. I have bought a full sleeves top. Pants I have a lot, but still I wanted to buy one pant, so I did. And apparently I realized that pants don't have sizes written on top of them, but between the legs of see, open it up and see if there is a size inside, and then buy. And sizes in these shops are not written very clearly, so you randomly got to pick it up, and you don't have a trial room. So if it doesn't fit you, keep the bill and exchange it. Undergarments you cannot exchange, but so yeah. So guys, they left for the desert safari. Our man is here to pick us up. I got this dress from, where is that place? Gulf Marketer. And I don't know, I don't remember the name, but it is so good. It is cotton and I love it. I like this thing. Wearing this dress, you know how I feel? I feel like a serial killer. In those English movies, these women wear like these collars, and they're like always that Conjuring, the nun. Okay, he didn't understand. Anyway, so but I really like the chicken work in this.
Where's the chicken?
Mama, what you are getting me for anniversary, Mama? What is it that you are hiding in the suitcase? I wanted to search today, but I didn't have the energy. I went twice to the shop. This dress is so huge. I went twice to the shop, and that man was like, "Madam, size nahi hai." And you know how pissed off I got? And I exchanged 2 more dresses. We stopped for a break of 10 minutes. They said stop for 10 minutes, see whatever you want to come. We reached this place. Now we have to switch cars. Can you see the back? Yeah, I'm gonna show you everything in a while. So we have to pay after we get down, and once you get down and pay, you will be led to the place. We are planning to ride a bike. This is, I think this is single. This is double. We are going 200 dirhams. We are going to go. चेन्नई में बहुत बाइक चला लिया, तो दुबई आके भी बाइक चलाएंगे. So exciting. I might look like a robber. Need sunglasses over here. You are either going to go for a toss because there's so much of dust going to go in your eyes. It's going to itch. That's alright. Only the quad bike ride is done. We are going to do the desert safari now, like the original car one. So we all are seat belted and side to it. मेरे YouTube के लिए हाय बोल दीजिए. हाय. भाई साहब ने मेरी जान निकाल दी. को हार्ट अटैक आने वाला था. Close the doors. There is sand inside the car. The safari has stopped for a break. Yeah, they are
going to the desert. You have to take a fuel.
Yeah, that's all.
Not fully.
So that is happening. You should come empty stomach. You shouldn't eat and come. Otherwise, you're gonna feel so sick. You're gonna puke and all of that stuff. That's gonna happen. So yeah. How do you like it, Momo?
It's good.
How are you feeling?
A little bit hungry, but great. It's fun, very fun.
As long as there is no sand in our eyes. Falafel and shawarma are the starters. You don't like it? The fire show. This is our food. Momo, को चलिए को